Next, find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B? So, first we have to take this part. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. So, first point what is given here 0, 0. Second point is 36, 15. Now, if one point x coordinate is 0 as well as y coordinate is 0 means we can take directly one formula is there. That formula b is equal to square root of x square plus y square. When if one point both coordinates are 0, that time directly we can take this formula. Okay. Now here x is equal to, we can take 36 square root symbol as it is. Here we should take 36 whole square plus y, that is 15 whole square. Then multiply 36 into 36 in the column, 36 into 36. 6 6 are 36, 3 carry and 6 here, 6 3s are 18 plus 3, 6 3s are 18 plus 3, 21. Then plus, okay, 3 6 are 18, here carry 1, then you can take 8 here. Then 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. Then 6, 8 plus 1, 9, 2 plus 0, 2, here 1. That means 36 whole square answer. What we got here? 1, 2, 9, 6 plus 15 whole square. So in this same way, you should multiply 15 into 15. We will get directly, you know that this is the small number. So we can write directly 15 15s are 225. Then add these two values. Here 1296 plus 225. 5 plus 6, 5 plus 6, 11. 9, 10 plus 2, 12. Okay, then 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Then here 1. Then this is equal to square root of 1, 5 to 1. Now what we should do next here? We should find the square root of this number 1, 5 to 1. How to find the square root of this number? By division method. That we'll do in rough column. Okay, now here 1, 5. Now we should find the square root of 1, 5 to 1. 1, 5 to 1. Now here 4 digits are there. So what we should do here? We should make groups from right hand side. 2 digits, 1 group. This is first group. Put bar over these 2 digits. This one will become 1 group. Next, this one will become second group. Okay. Then, now here 15 is there. Now here what we should take? 3 is a 9. Okay. Now I am taking here 3. Multiply with that same number. 3 is a 9. But here 15 is there. Next we will say 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. Now 16 is greater than 15. So what we should do here? We should take this number. 3 3s are 9. 3 here 3 3 3s are 9. Then 15 minus 9. Reminder, subtract this. 15 minus 9, here 6. Then you should take last group, that is 21. Okay. Next, make it 3 double. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, it becomes 6. Okay. Now put line here, that means blank. Okay. Now what we should take here? This number. Now here, which number we should take here? So what we should do? First you write down like this. 6 blank into blank is equal to. Now suppose you are taking 1 here. So multiply with same number. Now I will show an example. 60, I am taking here 1. That means it becomes 61. 61 into 1, it becomes 61. I am taking here same digits. Okay. Then next point. So I will take here directly 9. Okay, we'll see 9 into what we should take here 9, because here 9 is there, here also 9. Then multiply 69 into 9, whether is equal to 621. We'll multiply 69 into 9. 9 nines are 81. Okay. Now 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 8, that is 62. We got 621. That means 69 into 9, that is equal to 621. That means here what we should take a 9. 69 nines are 621. Then subtract. What is the remainder here? 0. What is the answer? 39. That means square root of this number is equal to 39. Okay. This is the y-axis. Then this one is the x-axis. Okay. In this graph, now you know that the directions here vertical line and this one is horizontal line. Now here our right hand side we should take east, then this one is the west, then this one is the north, then this one is the south. Okay. Now here point A, that means here is town A, this point is town B. Now here town A is at point origin. At point origin. That means here x coordinate is 0 as well as y coordinate also 0. Now here point B, that means town B, 36 kilometer away from the town A towards east. Towards east. East is this direction. Towards east. Then town B is 15 kilometer away from the town A. 15 kilometer away from the town A towards north. Towards north. Okay. Now 36 kilometer away from the town A towards east means we should take this side. Then 15 kilometer away from the town A towards north means we should go up. Then we should join these 2 points. That means the distance between the town A and town B. So here town A is at point origin. So here you should take x coordinate is 0 as well as y coordinate also 0. Then this point here 36. So this point is 36. X coordinate you should take 36. Y coordinate that is 15. Now here town B is located 36 kilometer east and 15 kilometer north from the town A. Next, coordinates of point A are 0, 0. Because point town A is at point origin. So here we should take 0, 0. X coordinate is 0 as well as Y coordinate also 0. Next point, and coordinates of point B are 36, 15. Okay, the distance between the town B from A, the distance between these 2 points, that means the distance between the town B and town A. So you know that already, if any one point is 0, 0, then we can take directly this formula, square root of x square plus y square. So x you should take 36, y here 15. 36 whole square, then this 15 whole square. 36 whole square answer is 1296 multiplied. Already we did previous year. Then 15 square, that is 225. Add these two, that answer is 1521. Square root of 1521, that is equal to 39. So you should write in units. So it becomes 39 kilometers. That means town, the distance between town A and town B is 39 kilometers. The distance between these two towns is 39 kilometers. Okay, thank you.